Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be looking at how to do uniabuja post UTME registration. If you want to get into uniabuja and you chose uniabuja as first choice, you have to do the pre-screening, or some people call it post UTME registration, so that they can have your data in their database so that you can be able to get admission and the rest of them. So for you to do uniabuja post UTME registration, get to this website. You can see it on my address bar, www.uniabujautme.com/putme. So this is the address. You can copy it down, just put it on your address bar just the way it is here, and press enter. It will open up the website. This is the website. So click on this first bar that you see here. You will see options for post UTME and direct entry. If you're a direct entry student, you click direct entry. If you're a post UTME student, you just click post UTME. I'm going to click post UTME, then I'll click on go. So when you click on go, you're going to wait, then it will bring out this. So when this comes out, if you've started your registration before, you can just put in your JAMB registration number and your password, click login to continue. But if you've not done that, you come to the place where they wrote start new application, and you put your JAMB number. So I'm gonna just put a random JAMB number. This is a JAMB number here. I'm gonna pick it up. I'm gonna select once you click the JAMB number, it's going to tell you JAMB number valid. If you don't see JAMB number valid, that means you did not score up to 180, or you did not put uniabuja as the first choice. So I'm gonna put an email. You type in your email here. Then I'm going to put a phone number. You type in a phone number. I'm using random data because I already have some. Then password, you're going to type a consistent password. This password has to be up to 8. The same thing as confirmed password. Make sure the two passwords are the same thing. This is the password that you're supposed to use here when you're putting in your password. If you want to log in later, when you come back, maybe you want to print the printout. You put your JAMB number and put the password that you used in creation here inside here before you click on login. But if you're doing fresh application, you now click on proceed. Once you click on proceed, it's going to take you to a place where you're supposed to pay the 2,000 naira needed for the pre-screening. After payment, you'll be logged in to complete the other registrations. I'm going to stop here, and in subsequent classes I'm going to teach you how to fill in your data and other things. So if you've done this and you just want to print your printout, just simply come this side, put your JAMB number